Alright, this is our first voyage underneath the 944. We're going to do the trans diff fluid, and it is the 17 millimeter Allen keys.
It's not in your normal kit.
No, so we had to really... You always want to empty the fill before you empty the drain, or open the fill before you empty it out. So...
You also usually would want to bring the drain pan over before you got it backed out all the way, right?
Yeah, sure. Could you help a brother out? No, what might be a good idea is
Some safety goggles? So, if you didn't know it was a Porsche there, you'd know here. Or maybe here. But if you didn't see it there, you could always look up here.
That is kind of ridiculous. And from what I can tell, all of those things are factored straight out of Stuttgart. Straight out of Stuttgart. Oh yeah! I think they even give me some fresh ones with this kit I bought. Gotta love FCP Euro. Bringing it home for the Euro enthusiast. Oh, yep. That is nasty.
Is it full?
No.
You're filling up quick.
We emptied it. It's just thick, you know?
Do you want another towel?
Yeah, maybe.
Here are the FCP Euro drain plug parts. Two of them in here. And
Gosh,
here's that muddy.
I think that stuff
fluid.
is straight out of 1983. Although trans fluid never smells great. Are they identical?
Appears so.
WAG. WAG. Boy, is that just not going into the tub at all, is it?
It's going pretty slow. If it is.
Alright, so we got the front hood strut replaced, the rear hood strut replaced. The rear, like OEM ball thing, you gotta pull this guy out all the way. Then you pop it off, and then the bottom one just kind of pops off. The new style is a lot easier. You pop that clip up. But now we are just kind of trying to grease up this guy, but also bring it out a little bit, because I always have to like force the trunk closed in order to get it to open. And so I'm just gonna do like a little turn. We don't want it to be too far open, because then I might need to get some sort of penetrant in it. Could also just take this whole block out, but I'm sure those are also not in great shape. 39 years old. What you know, I'm only 29 and I'm starting to feel it, you know. All right, should we resume our diff?
We're just bouncing around.
Ready? All right, so now that it's done emptying itself out, we'll go the drain plug back in.
Is there a torque spec?
I'm sure there is.
Bong. You know, that certainly doesn't look like it's in as far as the other one was.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, there's a good amount of threads out there.
Yeah, I guess.
More turns.
Should we look up a torque spec?
Oh,
whoa!
What is that, cat?
So you could put the...
I don't know that fit. Oh, but you know what these are designed to do is to do this.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh Jesus. That's not gonna work, is it? We went all the way to the store.
Oh boy. That's still not gonna get you all the way there though.
No.
Oh boy. I'm afraid. This just doesn't look like it would end well.
It really doesn't, does it?
Oh boy. Can't wait for it to fling out of the...
Is there a way to just remove that cap, you think? Wouldn't mind using my new pump. Pump the jam. Pump it up. Bottle so it doesn't do that. Tip over and stuff.
It's not even going to be enough to get it. Okay, I got this down all the way to the bottom of the...
Oh my god. Oh. It's like a crazy straw. Crazy straw. Except it's not as much fun.
I think we're...
Was that it already? Holy
Wow.
smokes.
So does it just fill until it bubbles out?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's 2 Litros.